moving on, the fourth important standard formula is integration of dx square root x square minus a square, and the answer is log of in bracket x plus root x square minus a square plus the constant of integration. So to solve this problem, the trick here is to substitute x as a secant theta, and the derivation is dx equals to derivation of secant theta is secant theta multiplied by tan theta d theta, and the trigonometry identity we are going to use is 1 plus tan square theta equals to secant square theta. Now if dx is this, I substitute dx and substitute the value of x. So if I substitute the value of x, it is a secant square theta minus a square theta. If I take a square common, I get secant square theta minus 1. And from here, secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. So I put here, and then a square tan square theta square root will give me a tan theta, and the numerator is still a secant theta into tan theta. Tan theta cancel. So the integration is secant theta d theta, and the answer is log of secant theta plus tan theta plus the constant of integration c, 1. Now as we saw for the third standard formula, here the method is same. I know secant theta is x by a. So we know secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Secant theta can also be written as 1 by cos theta. So cos theta is the reverse, that is a by x. So cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, that is a by x. If we make a right angle triangle, then tan theta will be, this will be root x square minus a square, because this is the hypotenuse and this is the base and this is the height. So tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite upon adjacent. Substituting further, we get this. Now we know log of this, since the denominator is same, we can add, and then it will be log of a divided by b, that is log of a minus log of b. We know log of a is a constant term, so it gets added with c1, and then we get a final constant, that is c. So the answer is log of root x square minus a square plus x plus c. We already saw the 4 important standard formulae. The next 4 is listed here. The E, F and G formulas derivation I will show in the next series, because it needs the by parts of integration. And here the H important standard formula is integration of f dash x. F dash x is also called the derivative of f of x. So the answer is expected to come as log of f of x plus c. Now let's solve this with the help of an example. If I take f of x function as x square, then we know the differentiation of f dash x will be 2x dx. Now f dash x is substituted as 2x dx and f of x is substituted as x square. Now this x gets cancelled with 1x and it remains 2 dx divided by x. We all know here we can use the formula 1 by x dx equals to log x. And since 2 is in the numerator, which is a constant, 2 comes outside of the integration. So it is 2 log x plus c. C is the constant of integration. Here we know the formula that if we have a log b, then it is also equal to log of b to the power a. So basically if it's 2 log 2, it can be log 2 to the power 2, that is log of 4. So here I did the same thing. If we consider a as 2 and b as x, then 2 log x is equal to log of x to the power 2, that is x square plus c. And we get our answer as log of, we know x square is f of x, so log of f of x plus c. Now let's solve some examples which will be based on the important standard formula, the 8 important standard formula. So the question is e to the power x divided by e to the power 2x minus 4. If I substitute e to the power x as z, then dz will be, differentiation of z will be, we know e to the power x function's differentiation is the function itself. So e to the power x dx. Now we can see e to the power x dx is here in the numerator. So substitute the numerator as dz. And e to the power 2x can be written as z square minus of 4. Now using the first important standard formula, which is this stated here, integration of dx, the variable x square minus a square will be 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus the constant of integration. We have to do nothing, we just have to check here. Here x is substituted as z and a is 2, so a square will be 4. So x is z and a is 2 and substitute. So 1 by 2a, that is 1 by 2 into 2, that is 4. Log of x is z. So z minus a is 2. So z minus 2 upon z plus 2. But we know, we substituted earlier that z is e to the power x. So if we retain 1 by 4 log of z is e to the power x minus 2 upon of e to the power x plus 2 plus the constant of integration. Now moving on to the second example. Integration of 1 divided by x plus root x square minus 1. Here the catch is I am rationalizing it because I could see this is a plus b. If I generate something as a minus b and then in the denominator I can get a square minus b square, which further can be easily simplified. So this is the catch. If you will solve more and more problems, you will eventually find yourself what can be the catch in the question. Now, if I multiply, rationalize basically, with x minus root over x square minus 1, we get this. Now, this can be seen as a plus b in bracket, second bracket a minus b. So, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So, a square, that is x square minus b, that is root over x square minus 1 whole square. And in the numerator, we have x minus root over x square minus 1 dx. So here, if I solve this a square minus b square, this will be x square minus of, since this root gets cancelled with the square, x square plus 1 and minus minus is 1. So this gets cancelled, we have the denominator as 1. Basically, we are only left with the numerator. That is root over x minus root over, the numerator is x minus root over x square minus 1 dx. Now if I split both the terms, then this is the first term is integration of x dx and the second term is subtract integration of root x square minus 1 dx. Now here, this is easy to solve. We will use the formula of x to the power n, where n is 1. So this will be x square by 2, that is 1 plus 1, n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Now for this, we will use the important standard formula number g, that is the 7th important standard formula, which is stated here. So we just have to put the variables. So here x is replaced by x and a is replaced by 1. So if a is 1 and we use this formula, we get minus of x by 2 root over x square minus a is 1, so 1 square, and minus of minus, which will give me plus. A is 1, so 1 by 2 log in bracket x as it is plus root over x square as it is, minus of a is 1, so 1 square, that is 1 plus c, the constant of integration. Now here we use the important standard formula 5th. The question is integration of e to the power x in bracket x cube plus 3x square dx. Now the catch here we can easily see is that first to e to the power x, so we will think that okay, which all formulas have e to the power x in it. Then if we short down, we have the 5th formula. Then if we see, I consider f of x is x cube, then the derivation of f of x is 3x square, because the derivation of, since if the function is x of n, then the derivation is n into x to the power n minus 1. So I could clearly see that the function is the x cube and the derivation is 3x square. So if I have the formula e to the power x f of x plus f dash x dx, the answer is e to the power x f of x plus c. So here if I substitute f of x as x cube, the answer is e to the power x cube, e to the power x multiplied by x cube plus c. Thank you.